Hi everyone, welcome back with another video of Excel tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the basics of the pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Pivot table is actually a really handy tool which allows to summarize and analyze the data visually. I've opened up my Microsoft Excel, and to do so, just click on any cell on the data, go to the insert menu and click on pivot chart. So there are two options. Either you can just add a pivot chart or pivot chart and pivot table. So this one is better, so I will click on this one. So as you can see that it automatically picked up the entire range of the data, and I will click on the new worksheet as it is the recommended method, and I will click on OK. As you can see that Excel opens up the default empty view for the pivot table. So now I have to populate my pivot table by just selecting and dragging the data either into the filter, legend, axis or values. I will just pick up the sale item and I will just drop it down into the filter, and then the next I will pick up the salesperson and I will drop it into the axis and sale amount into the values. Now you can see that the chart has been made and also the table. You can adjust the width. Okay, now you can see that this chart is giving me pretty much information like the sales amount for Jane, it's total 1,04,000, and it's 100k for John, then 112k for Michael, 115k for Sean, Smith is 100k, and Joshua 91k. So I can apply filters as well. Suppose if I want to see the sales of clothing only, now this is the sale of clothing only. Jane sold 28,000, John 29,000, Michael 11,000, 16,000 for Sean, and Smith 22,000, and Joshua 11,000. You can choose filters from here as well, like in electronics. And if I want to select multiple, I can do multiple as well, furniture and electronics. So this is the report for furniture and electronics for the particular employee. I can also add like units as well, like how many units a person is selling for each sale item. Now you can see that the chart has been updated. If I choose only electronics, so you can see that Jane sold 700 electronic items. I can also select the region as well. Now it will show me the particular sale in a region, like Jane has sold 13,000 in east, 20,000 in north, similarly 23,000 in south and west as well. So you can see that pivot table as well. Pivot table is also giving me the same information. And now for the customization part, you can change the chart type, like you can make a pie chart. If I select the pie chart and click on OK, so it will show the information in the form of pie chart. You can choose multiple options from there, and you can choose a bar chart, area, scatter plot, map, like red. There are a lot of options you can explore from here. You can also add a column chart. You can also add tree map. There are various options you can explore. That's it for this video. I hope you like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.